Good morning, biscuits. Alrighty, it is time to deep clean your bathroom sink. That's right, you've been putting it off. You go, oh, why do I need to deep clean it? It is going to extend the life of all the parts of your bathroom sink. It's going to make your bathroom look sparkling clean, and it's going to make you enjoy the magic of having your home. Isn't there something about when you turn the mundane into magic that makes you appreciate your space and your life more? It makes you happier. That is so much about what I talk about on Patreon. I actually started filming this video clip. It's the intro to a really fun fans video that we're doing, which is part of our romance book series on there. If you haven't checked it out, you should totally go over to my page on there, RoseKellyPPV. It has so many fun mini films that we're making for there, but we are going to get cleaning. Oh my goodness. Don't be afraid of using your household tools, scrub brushes, Q-tips, a little vinegar, a little cleaning multi-spray. It makes a huge difference, making everything sparkle, glow. This is a solid surface countertop, so not my favorite countertop if I'm being honest, but by far the easiest countertop of a bathroom to clean that I've ever owned, because there's no crevasses. It's just an easy scrub. It does pick up lint terribly, so think about tools that you like for delinting your bathroom. It's not something people pay attention to, but it's something that gives you that finalized, gorgeous, professional touch that makes it look like a professional deep clean. I love deep cleaning. Okay, Biscuit, thank you so much for always requesting that we do more of these fun videos. I love sharing my inspiration and my love for the magic of homemaking that includes cleaning. I love you all, Biscuits. I will see you in the next video. I'll see you over on Fans. I'll see you over on Patreon. I love creating all this fun content together as a community. See you in the next one.